करूंगा आवर प्रेजेंट इंडिया टॉपिक पे इंग्लिश में तकरीर के लिए कि वो आए और इंग्लिश में आवर प्रेजेंट इंडिया बताए कि अभी हमारा देश इंडिया कैसा है।
Present India, respected guests, parents and my beloved friend, Assalamu alaikum. Today on this auspicious occasion of a school annual function, I would like to share my holy views in front of you about present India and India in 2020. As we all know that India is the second largest country in population and 7 largest area. India is a multilingual and multi-religion democratic country. Here Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians live peacefully. We lost our intelligence and mutual harmony. But overall we treat each other as brother and sister. There are more than 200 countries in the world. But our nation, India is one of the fastest developing country. We perform fabulous job in the field. There are 42 countries in the world. No doubt we India did very good progress in every field. I would say our many problems, two the big problems are unemployment, illiteracy, casteism, regionalism and prejudice against women.
ये थी इकरा अनवर रजा जो आपको आवर प्रेजेंट इंडिया बता रही थी कि हमारा हिंदुस्तान एट प्रेजेंट क्या है, कैसा है।